So things are still a little bit active out there, but none of those tornado warnings that we were dealing with earlier. That's good news.
We just had one of those just kind of came up out of nowhere, I feel like, and I heard that, that EAS buzzer, and I was like, oh no.
Here we go.
So it wasn't as bad as what we thought. Now, there are still some severe thunderstorm warnings out there that have the potential to have some rotating storms in there. So I don't want to say let your guard down, it's okay. There's been some strong storms moving through, but unfortunately it's been more of a wind maker than a rain maker. We're really needing that rain. So let's go ahead and start right now with radars. We're tracking still a few of those leftover thunderstorms that are still moving through the area. Right now we still have 2 severe thunderstorm warnings in place. The first one you can see there is for Lincoln County, Garrett County. It's not over into Rockcastle County yet, so that's good news. Still a lot of heavy rain, strong winds, and a lot of lightning with this one. And this one is going to be lingering until 6:45, so still another 25 or so minutes to that. Then we go on over toward the Beattyville area, Lee, Owsley, and a portion of Jackson County. This one's going to expire at 6:30, so still a few more minutes on that one as well. Both of those severe thunderstorm warnings. Then you have the rain that stretches all the way up toward the West Liberty area there in Morgan County, and eventually will be moving into the Magoffin County area. And then, of course, we still have some scattered lighter showers, maybe even trickling through our southern counties as well. Watch as I play this time lapse here. You can start to see the rain really coming in. Pay attention to the ground right here as I move this. Look at that steam coming up off the ground. It's almost like the ground was so hot that once the rain hit it, it just had to release that energy. It came in as steam. And then, of course, we started to see those showers moving in. Didn't have a lot of rain. In fact, we didn't pick up a drop at the airport. We did have some rain in downtown Lexington, maybe enough to settle the dust and see some pretty cool steam on the camera. Otherwise, you could see that camera really shaking. And then once that front moved through, then we started to see calmer conditions. The rain left and the wind started to calm down as well. Now it's calm here again in Lexington, maybe a few more showers left over in northern Kentucky, but we're pretty much out of the woods as far as that goes. Slight risks still in effect for our whole viewing area until we get through tonight. So strong storms through the rest of this evening, especially as that line continues to move into southeastern Kentucky. It is weakening, but don't let your guards down. There's still some strong capabilities with these storms. Then we're hot, but not as hot as we were for the past couple of days moving into the next couple of days. Nice cooler Saturday ahead for us as temperatures will be in the lower to mid 80s instead of the lower to mid 90s and upper 90s, which is what we got to again today. This is the culprit of the storms, this stationary boundary. We've had a lot of heat, a lot of humidity, and then you add the front, and so that could make a recipe for some disaster. That's kind of what we saw today, at least kind of chaotic there for a while. Multiple severe thunderstorm warnings, the one tornado warning, which we're thankful and hopeful that it didn't do any kind of damage. But you can see Future Track was really behind on this. It showed the line coming in much later. We're already pretty much past that line, especially in northern and central Kentucky. By the time we get late into this evening, everything fades off. Maybe a stray shower possible overnight, waking up tomorrow morning, kind of dry to start the day. And then once we get the daytime heating going, that front isn't moving. It's stagnant. It's stationary. So it's going to produce a few more scattered showers, maybe a couple of stronger storms in southern Kentucky for your Thursday afternoon and Thursday evening. Friday, it's like we repeat the process, a broken record. There's just not much else to talk about other than the rain and storm chances plus the heat and the humidity, but all of those things begin to dwindle as we get closer to the weekend. Rain outlook for the next 5 days actually looks pretty promising. Some spots showing the red up to 3 inches. We will take it, but we may not see that much, but we do have the potential there. At least it's showing the potential for us to see some good soaking rain showers coming up over the next several days. We've had a lot of 90-degree days, both in June and July. So far in July, 5. Average is 9, and we are barely into the start of the month. For tonight, lows down around 75 degrees. Couple of showers here and there. A dry start to the day tomorrow. Some sun, like we've seen, still hot, high around 90, feeling like the mid-90s again. Scattered rain and thunderstorms through the rest of the afternoon and the evening. Same for Friday, same for Saturday, except it's a little cooler. 83 on Saturday, 85 on Sunday. Sunday, Monday look completely dry, and then we'll start to warm back up again next week.